Today I have completed writing God name 10 million times or 1 crore times. Ram, 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 Ram. Om Sri Setaye Namaha. 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 Jai Hanuman. It took for me 26 years to complete writing Lord Sri Rama, who is the incarnation of Lord Mahavishnu. I am able to write Ram 1 crore times or 10 million times. I have completed it.